As Nike's vision for the Big Bubble Air Max 95 becomes clearer, two distinct paths are emerging. Collaborations and iterations of the classic neon colorway continue to dominate hype circles, but for those looking to avoid raffles or resellers, Nike's mainline releases remain more accessible. One such release is the upcoming sanded purple Air Max 95, which forgoes the model's traditional gradient side panels in favor of a uniform tonal upper, similar to the earlier Persian Violet version. This new colorway flips that release's accent hue, embracing a rich, dusky purple complemented by steel gray detailing and big bubble cushioning. Branding elements echo the subdued tones, while a jet black outsole grounds the look in subtle contrast. The Nike Air Max 95 OG Sanded Purple is expected to launch in fall 2025 via Nike.com and select retailers. G sizes will retail for $145, with adult sizes likely to follow at around $190.